how you clean trout. So get the scissor. Okay. And I'm going to take out the gills and all the guts. Use your scissor to clean all this black stuff off from the trout. Nice and clean inside. So that's how you clean trout. Just like that. After the trout has been cleaned, you want to marinate it with some lemon. I am using a whole lemon. And add some salt after you put the lemon in. Add some salt. And just let it soak until all these slimy stuff comes off from the trout. I usually let it sit for about maybe 10 minutes. So after it has been soaking, you want to wash it. You get all that gooey and slimy stuff off from the trout. See how dirty the water is? You want to wash it until it's clean, nice and clean water. Wash it a couple times until the water is clear. So now it should be good. It's clear like this. And we're going to drain it. Going to prepare the ingredients for the fish. Put your cilantro and onion. Your pepper. I use about 20 peppers. Two scoops of the chicken powder. 2 scoops of the fish seasoning powder. Some black pepper. Some lemongrass. Frozen lemongrass that has been cut up. This, which is the beef soup stock. 1, 2. And some squid sauce. Everything together. You want to use gloves because you don't want the pepper to burn your hand. Put your fish in. And you want to squeeze some lemon, no, some lime. Squeeze some lime. like it sour, you could add more, but I don't like it to be too sour. So I only added 1 slice. And you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much. And just mix everything together. Mix everything together thoroughly. Make sure all the sauce is going into the fish. Smells so good from the herbs. So I am going to add cilantro roots, culantro, lime leaves, egg mint, and ginger. And mix it all together. The aroma from all the spices and all the herbs smells so good, so delicious. I cannot wait to try it. Just mix everything together. Until it looks like this. I'm going to cut a few of the banana leaves to steam my fish. This is from my front yard. This one. Maybe I need 2. After you cut it, you want to wash it. Once it's thoroughly washed and clean, you want to blanch it with some boiling hot water. And the purpose of blanching the leaf is so that way it won't be so fragile. It'll be easier for you to pack your fish without breaking. So just let it blanch for a little bit. And this way. Your fish. Just like that. You want to close it. We're going to steam it for about 30 minutes. After it has been cooking for 30 minutes, this is the final result. Smells so good. This is how you steam trout with banana leaves. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, God bless.